massive explosion has occurred on a train half a mile away from San Antonio International Airport. The train has erupted into flames, and firefighters are currently working to resolve this situation. It is not known whether this event was intentional or if the airport was the intended target. The following actions are being taken to ensure the safety of all residents and travelers. San Antonio International Airport is closed until further notice. No flights are allowed to take off for any reason. The airport is being evacuated as well. All incoming flights are being diverted to other locations. Interstate 410 is closed in both directions between Broadway and Route 281. Westbound traffic must turn left when exiting on Broadway. Eastbound traffic must turn right on Route 281. Avoid traveling in this area, as extremely long backups are occurring right now. Authorities are evacuating nearby buildings within a half-mile radius of the explosion.